As the days get longer and the nights get warmer, we create memories and test out new recipes. All hands on deck for setting the table, prepping the meats, and pouring the wine. With friends and family around, we make sure you're covered with the best tools, so you get unforgettable results. Whether it be on the rotisserie or over an open wood fire, a Summerset grill will ensure an even flame while bringing out the most saturated flavors. So next time you are in charge of Saturday night's backyard barbecue and you want to grill it, roast it, or smoke it, know that we're here to help. Summerset, let's grill.